Hello, 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 everyone, and welcome to my new viewers. Welcome back to the current followers of this 3D channel. In this video, I'm going to seize the occasion in the lingo of my current motto and show yet another one of my latest printing projects. It's a uniquely designed handle for pulling open a heavy wooden trap door located just right near my entryway and inside the closet, and it provides access to the subfloor of the house. So when we had Carter Wood Floor Refinishing Company sand and varnish and reseal some of the floors here, they did a fine job, but unfortunately they told me that they had misplaced our original 1952 polished metal finger loop type pull latch. I was quite disappointed, nevertheless, to have never located a replacement for this. So, what did I do? I started modeling up a solid plastic piece so that I could fill the hole that was left by the workers. As always, I started with taking some photos and measuring and then sketching out some ideas on paper. But the first try really did miss the mark. The resulting box-like area of the first design that provided ample finger space was actually too large for the limited amount of space underneath the door. And although it was certainly strong enough and closed the hole that was left by the floor finishers, I needed to come up with another design. So the second design was much thinner, and it provided ample room for the door to close without any interference, but the smaller size was no longer large enough for a finger to hold easily the door, and so would require some separate handle assembly parts. I was able to use the parametric modeling advantage of Adobe Fusion 360 software to use some of the original model's dimensions. I went on to develop this second design bracket, which would be the first of 3 separate parts and was attached to the underside of the floor members. As you have seen, rolling the history marker forward in Fusion 360 reveals the design stages of the bracket, and here a circular sketch was extruded to cut the first of 4 screw mounting holes. The remaining 3 holes are created with the rectangular pattern tool. The cylinder is hollowed with the cut option of the press pull on an additional sketch which was offset from the outer wall by 2 millimeters. A protrusion into the hollowed cylinder for grabbing and holding the weight of the door is created by adding an additional extruded sketch on the top surface of the cylinder. Finally, a fillet is added to the long edge of the bar-shaped section to eliminate interference when the door is moved. Generating a section analysis helps visualize the model's details inside and out, assuring that the model is ready now to be printed. The other two parts of the removable handle worked together to provide a relatively secure way of attaching the bracket by means of two sliding joints. Then they could easily be disassembled and stored in the closet when not being used. I now know that a full millimeter of clearance distance between the sliding parts was too much and causes a little bit of unnecessary wiggle of the handle when it's inserted into the hole and used. Probably 0.2 of a millimeter between each of the articulating surfaces would have been ideal. Thank you for watching. This project helped me to become a bit more knowledgeable about my new hobby of visualizing and designing workable solutions. Incidentally, Tony has located a company who does manufacture a flush mount metal finger pull latch, and we will probably end up installing that. However, in the meantime, this should work just fine. I hope you were able to take away some ideas for your own do-it-yourself projects. Remember, if you found something useful here, please consider clicking on the like button. And as always, I look forward to reading your comments. Remember, if you do subscribe to my channel, you will be notified of any new videos I post here. And it will encourage me to make and share videos of more of my nearly 60 different design ideas now that I've used in your own do-it-yourself projects. But most importantly, remember, seize the day. I hope that you get as much enjoyment that I get from using these awesome, affordable 3D printers like my Creality Ender 3 Pro, and are enthused to be able to use modern modeling software like Fusion 360 to design precision parts of your own. Until next time, take care.